The advancement of technology has provided more options for dating and relationships, but it has also presented singles and couples with new challenges. There is a huge trust problem in the love industry. Online love scammers are making billions of dollars a year, preying on lonely hearts. There is no easy way for singles to find out someone's actual relationship status. Enter Viola.AI, the world's first project to combine love with blockchain and AI technology. Viola.AI is here to restore trust and transparency in the love industry. Here's what Viola.AI can do. Viola.AI Rel Registry. Henry creates a profile on Viola.AI. Viola.AI will match his photo with a real-time video scan of his face, verifying these against his social media accounts. In addition, Viola.AI will also search within its relationship registry to ascertain Henry's relationship status. Henry met Elizabeth from his place of work and they started to date. Through Viola.AI's registry, Henry can check if Elizabeth is recorded as single, in a relationship, engaged, or married. Their relationship progresses well and they decide to tie the knot. Henry and Elizabeth register their marriage and declare their commitment to each other on Viola.AI. They also select the relevant smart contracts and buy them with Violet tokens. Their marriage is then hashed onto the blockchain. Blockchain technology enables Rel Registry to be decentralized, immutable, and accessible to all. Viola.AI recommendations. Currently, with so many available websites, forums, and resources online, it's hard for singles and couples to pick the best dating and relationship advice. Through deep learning about each other's personality, background, and behavior, Viola.AI can provide timely and relevant recommendations to Henry, whether it's for ideas, goods, services, and even advice to improve his relationship with Elizabeth. When Henry wants to surprise Elizabeth on their anniversary, Viola.AI will recommend the right gifts, and Henry can purchase them on Viola.AI directly from the merchants. When Henry faces a relationship problem with Elizabeth, Viola.AI can give advice, ask the community for tips, and refer him to helpful resources. Viola.AI Open Source. Viola.AI technology is not just aimed at solving problems in the love industry. It is the core of a new registration, verification, and recommendation engine to provide innovative and secure solutions for all other industries, with Violet token at the heart of this ecosystem. Learn more about how Viola.AI is going to change the world, one relationship at a time, at www.viola.ai now.